Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about Cash App card activation errors and how you can troubleshoot it. So we're going to be talking about every single problem that is available. The first thing you want to do is update your application and ensure that you are using the latest version of Cash App. If that is already the case, you might want to check if you have a stable internet connection. Try toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data. Also ensure that VPN is always turned off. If that is not the case, you might want to check your card type and update app. So ensure that you're activating a standard cash card and update the cash app to latest version. The other thing you want to do is enter precise detail. You might want to go ahead and double check your card number, your CVV, and your expiration date. Again, if that is not the case, you might need to simply contact your bank because they might have a temporary app or system slowdowns. Finally, you might also want to check what are the cards that are accepted in Cash App because sometimes your card might not be accepted. At the end, you can only simply try to resubmit and confirm a new card detail. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.